Yeah, all right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MedTrade. And today I'll be taking you guys the difference between uh, break of structure and market structure shifts. And I'll be also putting you through how to spot out valid break of structure and market structure shifts. Now, come, let's go into the chart. Now we are in the chart. So now the difference between break of structure and MSS is that BOS simplifies what break of structure, and a break of structure represents a continuation of a trend, right? So now in this trend, in my previous video, Genesis analysis, right, I simplified how to determine um, trends. Either it's going to be an uptrend, downtrend, or a consolidation trend. So if you haven't checked it out, please kindly go to my page and watch the video, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now let's continue. So a BOS represents a continuation of a trend. It can be an uptrend, downtrend, right? So now here is it. Okay, we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So now this here represents what an uptrend. As you can see, when price clears out the higher high, it forms a what? A breakout structure. You can see when price clears out another higher high right here, it forms what? A breakout structure. Can you see? Now same thing goes for a downtrend too. Now in a downtrend, we'll see what? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So now, what can we see here? When price breaks through the lower low, it forms what? A what? A breakout structure. As you can see, alright? So when price comes again, breaks the recent lower low, it forms another what? Breakout structure. So you understand? As you can see, it represents a continuation of a trend. So it can be an uptrend, right? It can be this uptrend here, or it can be a downtrend. As you can see now, let's continue here. So now this here is the recent what? Lower low, right? So what are you expecting? We're expecting that price pulls back to form what? A lower high, and comes here and come towards to form another what? Lower low, forming a what? A what? Break of a structure. So that is that it's forming a what? A break of structure. So that is that. So now MSS stands for what? Market structure shift. Some people call it change of character, market structure shift. Anyone goes. So now a market structure shift or an MSS is the first sign of reversal in trend and signifies that the trend wants to change from one trend to another. Now, here is it. Given this example, we are in an uptrend forming a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, another higher high, right? So we already know that this is an uptrend. We are denoting it by what? Breaks of structure. As you can see, the break of structure, and this is a break of structure. Now, why is it a break of structure? Because this is an uptrend and it cleared out the what? Recent higher high. Can you see it? It cleared out the recent what? Higher high. So now, coming here, sorry. So coming here right now, we're expecting that price should come here and push up again to form another higher high. But in this case, it didn't happen like that. But what did price do? Price came here and broke the what? Higher low. forming a what? A market structure shift. So this is a market what? Structure what? Shift. Call it what? An MSS, right? And it continues in a downward trend. As you can see, what did we say here? We said a market structure shift is the first sign of reversal in trend and signifies that the market wants to change from one trend to what? Another. As you can see, the market here was what? Bullish, right? And all of a sudden, it formed, it came here to take out this higher low to what? Form a what? Downtrend. Now, same thing goes. For example, let's say uh, we were in a downtrend, as you can see. Okay, let's just continue with this one. Okay, let's say we're in a downtrend right here, right? And price comes to take out this lower high, right? It forms what? A market structure shift. Can you see? So for an uptrend, price is coming to take out the what? The higher low. But for a downtrend, price is coming to take out the what? Lower high. You can see, so price came here, took out this lower high, and it formed what? A market structure shift. As you can see, formed another market structure shift. And then it continued with this trend. This is becomes a break of structure. So like that, it continues in trend. So in here, it was in a downtrend, right? And then it formed, it came to take out this lower high, forming a market structure shift, and then became what? Bullish. That is in an uptrend. Now, let's look at the chart and be able to put in what we learned. Alright, so right here, what can we see? You know that you can see some series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now this says simply means that what we are what bearish, right? So now when we're saying that a break of structure, it represents what a continuation of a trend. Now you can see immediately price came here to take out this lower low. Automatically this becomes what a break of structure. As you can see, when price came to take out this lower low, this area became what? A break of structure. Can you see it? So now, when price came out take out this lower low, this area became what? A break of structure. Can you see that? Break of structure. Same thing again. Price came to take out this lower low, comes what? A break of structure. Right? So now, when price now came here to take out this high, this lower high, so this high becomes what? A market structure shift. Right? So price came here to as market structure shift. As you can see, came here take out the what? This area, this lower high, and it becomes a what? A market structure shift. Can you see it? And then the trend changes from being bearish is now becomes what? Bullish. You can see price came here, took out this higher high, and becomes what? Break of structure. Can you see it? Price came here, took out this higher high right here, and this becomes what? The what? The break of structure. Alright.